Hey everybody, this is Dane. I'm with my buddy Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi guys.
Hey, so a lot of you have been reaching out to me from California, wanting to move back here, or Texas, or Missouri, or in fact, I think, weren't you living in Missouri, Aaron? Not too
Yes,
long
sir.
ago?
Yeah.
So if you guys are thinking about wanting to make the move to Oklahoma, shoot me a text at the 918-812-3263. I want to show you this amazing neighborhood with all these beautiful trees and amenities. And this is a place where I'll get you connected with Aaron if you want to rent one of the units here. It's really nice. We're going to go shoot another video in a second here. It's a little bouncy as we're in the golf cart, but look how beautiful it is. Got all these beautiful trees, and it's just a quiet neighborhood. How far did you say it was from the community here to Tulsa Hill Shopping?
About 5 minutes down the road, about 4.5 miles, and you got Tulsa probably about 10 minutes as well. So you're pretty close to everything in the Tulsa area.
So it's centrally located, everything for your shopping. So I know a lot of people, including myself, although I'm from Oklahoma, when I moved my wife and my kids back here from California in 2002, we made the decision to rent for a year and give us a chance to learn the lay of the land. If you're trying to learn where the best schools are, best shopping, and what part of town you want to be in, this is a centrally located place. It's real quiet. I just meeting with Aaron, so we're gonna go shoot a video here, and you can see how nice these are, and then just reach out and I'll get you connected with Aaron, and you can rent for a year, and then we can help you figure out what you want to do as far as what you want to buy without being rushed into something. So I'll shoot another video here in just a second. Okay, everybody, so I'm shooting the outside so you can see how nice it is. They got beautiful trees in this community. It's just a short drive from the Tulsa Hill Shopping Center. If you want to rent for a year, this would be a great option. I know my wife and I did that. Let's go inside, take a look. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit I'm going through for you to take a look at that you could rent. Let's just go through here and see that you got really nice stainless appliances. You got your stainless refrigerator there, stainless stove, vent hood, then you got your stainless dishwasher, real nice kitchen. Let's walk over here, look at the laundry real quick. You got your main water shut off for your washer dryer hookups. Really nice setup here. And I know that this water heater by Rheem is a really energy efficient unit, so that'll keep your electric bill down low. I know this community actually has a pool in it, so when it's warm outside, you can enjoy the pool. That's another thing that's nice about being in a community like this. You don't have to worry about cleaning your own pool.
No, exactly. And it's quite a big pool too, which is nice.
Oh yeah, that pool is awesome. I love it. There's your carrier heat pump right there. I want to see right here, everybody loves this pantry in this unit. Got a great big pantry for all your groceries you can stick in there as well. Real convenient. Let's head back in here to this really large, massive primary bedroom. Got great lighting, got a lot of great natural lighting with that great big window there. And these are double paned windows. So again, your electric bill will be really low here in this 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit. It's got a really nice bathroom here with a tub shower combo. And over here you got your dual vanity sink. Real nice. Let's look out the window here. Look how beautiful the trees are. Got some great weather. You get some beautiful fall colors here in the fall here in Oklahoma. There's your commode. And then you got a great big closet. Nice thing about this unit is you'll see, I've seen them with and without the door, but you've got the door here on your big old closet. Shut that if you want. So if you're taking a long hot shower, you don't have to have your clothes get all steamy, so that's nice. And you got lots of lights. So you're coming in. If you're like me, getting up early, you don't want to wake up the spouse, get in there, take your shower, and get dressed and get out the door and leave the lights off in here in the bedroom. Let's go to the other end, see the other 2 bedrooms and bath real quick. All you gotta do is text me at 918-812-3263 if you would like to rent this unit or another one like it as you're getting settled here in Oklahoma. I'll get you connected with Aaron and he'll hook you up. It's an easy application process over here. Obviously, if you want to buy, you can reach out to me. And I know they've got a special rent-to-own program here he was telling me about. I'll let him give you all the details on that. It's a pretty amazing program. So I can get you connected with Aaron on that if you want to learn more about it. It's an awesome program, using part of your rent credits to help you buy. If that's something you want to do, we'll get you connected with him on that. This is the other end of the unit. Big 2nd bedroom. You got the 3rd bedroom in the middle, or 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Let's see the closet in this one. So we got a nice big closet in this one as well. So this would be a great place for a 1-year rental situation if you want a lease as you're gonna buy later. That's what we did when we moved back here. and that works out real good. So just shoot me a text. We'll be happy to help you out. 918-812-3263.